Am I saying hello, honey?
Yeah.
Hello, honey.
Not yet.
No. Am I saying hello, honey again?
Yeah, you are saying hello.
Okay. Hello?
A bunch of questions. We know that our girl Jeannie is the ultimate foodie.
Right.
And so has she been having any cravings that you're like, what is happening here? And have you had to do any like midnight runs for food for her?
No, actually, I have to make her eat. That's the craziest thing.
Really?
It's just
Wow.
Yeah, because she works so hard. And I have to call her and say, have you eaten anything yet? And, you know, like I ordered some food the other day before I left, and she was walking out the door, and I tried to time it so she could eat before she left.
Oh.
But she was headed to her baby shower, our baby shower.
Yeah, he's looking out for you. He's like
Yeah.
making
I
sure
love that.
she's eating.
Yeah, I got her back.
Of
I am
course.
dying to find out, what are you looking forward to the most about Che, your babies?
I think, you know, from the moment we, you know, initially first talked about being married, we talked about having something together, you know, whether that was real estate, businesses, and all those things. But God gave us a child first, and I'm just excited to see the first thing that we have together is actually from the both of us.
Oh.
And I feel like, you know, that's what we both need right now at our ages and just in our careers. And like Mama Ma say, we ain't gonna spoil the baby, Jay.
Right.
You guys are.
Yes, yes, for sure.
But I'm just excited about us actually, you know, having this experience together. I think it's amazing.
Now, we're not revealing what the gender is, but I'm just saying, what would you prefer?
Well, we can't reveal because we actually don't know.
Which I think is really cool. What do you think?
I know what I think.
What?
I think it's a boy for sure.
You do.
Really? What makes you
Yeah.
think that?
I don't know. It's just one of those things where you just know, you know, and I just feel like at this point in time, it's just like, it just feels like we need a boy.
Ooh.
We need somebody, you know, that's going, but by the way, you know, you need somebody that's gonna be tough like you right now.
Obviously, you guys are watching this after Baby J has already arrived. I didn't want to be stressed out with live episodes when Baby J comes. If you can just understand that I want to put all the attention to Baby J when Baby J's here, I don't want to be worrying about like real-time episodes for you guys and what I can be telling you in the moment. I'd rather just like turn off everything and focus on the actual life that has been brought into our lives. I don't think you guys understand how serious it was to finish the nursery. Here's why. Just a few months ago, we basically moved into this house. Every episode you guys saw of The Real during quarantine, that was this room. So there was an old cabinet here. There was like lots of production stuff. We didn't have time to fix up the room. So the room stayed that way after The Real. Then we got married. Then we found out we got pregnant. So I never could fix the room because I thought, this is the room for the nursery. I chose this room because my office is next door and I'm out of breath. Oh my God, this is what happens at third trimester. You're like tired of yourself.
You want to sit?
No, I'm just gonna take a breath.
Yeah.
So yeah, we need that for sure.
Yeah.
And what type of mother do you think Jeannie will be? I think she's gonna be fabulous.
Yeah, I know. She's an amazing person. She's an amazing soul. She's
it real,
definitely gonna
baby.
be.
Are you
an
nervous?
amazing not at all. I think that she's better with other people's kids. I've seen that.
Sure.
I've seen her with my daughter. I've seen her around, you know, just kids. They love her.
Yes.
She has a childlike energy. You know, she's vibrant. So I think she's gonna be an amazing mother. Of course, I think I'm gonna have to slip in and change a couple diapers here and there.
Yes.
Till she figured out
Good.
warm up a couple bottles.
Yes.
Once she gets the hang of things, I'm gonna let her do what she gotta do.
That's great.
But again, I got her back.
Oh, that's a young Jeezy.
Yeah.
Trying to take it easy. We are the worst. We are those friends that I'm sure she's so embarrassed